So the plan here is to paint that bench. It was actually my grandpa's, so I'm gonna paint that. And then I have one of my grandma's dressers, so I'm going to refinish. I'm probably gonna do like a mint green. I thought about doing white, but I think I'm gonna do like a mint green, very soft. Put some vinyl on it that says welcome, add some throw pillows, blankets, baskets, stuff like that. And just kind of recreate this whole entryway space and give it a fresh update. This is before. So you can see I'm going to have it placed right here on the wall. This is the bench beforehand. The paint I picked up is this kind of sage green. So we'll see how this looks.